Hi, Miss M6716. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, my dear future employer. My name is Sharon Kuanan. I am 41 years old. I am married. I have one child, a 9-year-old girl, and I am a Christian. And I've been graduated in college for 4 years course in Bachelor in Elementary Education, but major in English. I have been experienced as a domestic helper working abroad in Kuwait for 2 years, and I served the family member of 5, 2 adults and 3 children ages 2, 4, and 10. And my main duties are all do the household chores and car washing and taking care of their children and do the gardening and washing their cars. I have been also experienced as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for almost 1 year and 7 months. I did not finish my contract because my father died that time. And I served the family member of 3, 2 adults and 1 child, 1-year-old girl. And my main duties and responsibilities are to taking care of their children, their child, and washing their cars, and also do the household chores, and taking care of the 4 dogs, and cooking, and do the gardening. And after that, I have an experience also when I go back to the Philippines as a daycare teacher in our barangay for almost 4 years. And then after that, I have an experience also as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for almost 6 years. I have been served the family members of 4, the 2 adults and the 2 children ages 2 and 4. And my main duties are taking care of their children and do the household chores, and then gardening, and taking care also the dog. And
Okay, so you have a lot of experience being a helper in different country in Kuwait, Hong Kong, and also here in the Philippines,
yes,
right?
yes.
So you have experience also taking care of a baby which is 1 year old. So you know
Yes.
how to prepare a milk, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will stay calm and check the temperature if it is hot, or I will feed the baby. Maybe she's hungry, and then I'll check the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
First, I call my employer, and then I'll follow their instructions before I go check my employers. If my employer has something to tell me, then I'll go and do.
Okay, so you will ask your employer what to do.
Yes.
Okay. What is your reason to work again in Hong Kong?
Of course, in Hong Kong is a nice place, and of course, there's a high salary, and I love Hong Kong.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
If my employer needs me as their helper, I'll stay.
Okay. For sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
I just know the basic Chinese food, like something egg fried, and it's a soup, like a vegetable soup, banana soup, and corn soup. And also I know how to cook the whole chicken, baked chicken.
Okay, so you have idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provide?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job with the helper?
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with the kids or a
It's
baby?
okay. It's okay.
Okay. Taking care of pets, for sure it's okay with you, right?
It's okay, sir.
Taking care of elderly.
It's okay also.
Okay. It is okay to you not to use cell phone?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job with a helper?
Yes, sir.
How about cutting your hair into short?
Pardon, sir?
Cutting your hair into short, it is okay with you? Short, not shorter, short.
Okay.
Okay.
If it is necessary.
Okay, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will be your message for your employer?
To my future employer, I hope and I pray that you choose me. I'll promise I'll do my duties and responsibilities because I am trustworthy and I am hardworking. I am obedience and I am a God-fearing person.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Cheryl.
Thank you, ma'am. I thank you, sir. Bye.